Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To create an account on Netflix, the first thing we'll do is go to the official website, netflix.com. Here, if you are new, you have 30 days free. We write in this field our email and then click on Try 30 days free. Then we click on See the plans. And here we choose the plan that suits our needs. The premium allows you to use the account on up to 4 devices at the same time. This can be useful for a family account. The Ultra HD is also available. Simply click on the plan you want to choose to activate it. In my case, I will choose the premium. Then, click on Continue. And click on Continue again. Now, we must write a new password for our Netflix account. We click on Continue. Now, we must select a payment method. This is mandatory. But don't worry, if you cancel your membership before May 20th, Netflix won't charge you anything. It's 30 days free. In case you forget, they will notify you 3 days before the end of the 30 days. But if you want to continue with your membership, from the next month you will start paying. If you want to pay by credit or debit card, we click and here we must fill in the fields with our card information. Then we click on Start Membership. In case you want to pay with PayPal, you click on it and then we click on Continue to PayPal. We will be redirected to the PayPal website. We enter our account and then we must select the credit or debit card we want to use. We just click on the circle to activate it. Finally, we click on Continue. In my case, I won't do it because I already have an account. In this case, if you have a gift card or gift code, I don't recommend using it now. It would be better if you could get the 30 days free first. But you can redeem it later. After doing this, on Netflix.com, we can log in to use the membership by clicking on Sign In. Here, we write our email and password that we registered. Click on Sign In. And that's it, we can use Netflix. With your account you can have a maximum of 5 personal profiles for different people. We pass the mouse over our profile picture. And click on Manage Profiles. Here we click on Add Profile. And we write a name for this user. If it's a kid, we click on that square to activate. If it is not, we deactivate it by clicking again. Then we click on Continue. And that's it, we have a new profile. If we want to delete it, we click on this icon and then click on Delete Profile. By doing this, the data of this profile will be deleted and the information cannot be recovered. We click on Delete Profile. Then we click on Done. Now, I will click on my profile, Michael. How can I log out? I pass the mouse over my profile picture and then we click on Sign Out of Netflix. In case you're on your cell phone, you follow the same process. But you open Netflix.com from your mobile browser. If perhaps, while you were using the free membership, you thought it best to cancel before the end of the 30 days so you won't be charged next month. Don't worry about it. Just hover your mouse over the profile picture. Then click on Account. Here, we have to click on Cancel Membership. And then we click on Finish Cancellation. In this case, I won't do it. But if you do that, before you finish the 30 days free, you won't be charged at all. We'll go back. If maybe, you want to continue with your membership next month, but you don't want to be premium, but pay the basic plan that is cheaper. Click on Change Plan. Here, you click on the plan you want to choose. And then click on Continue. That's it. Remember I told you that you can use your gift code or gift card later? In this case, we just have to click on Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code. Maybe you have a code for another month free or with credit available for subscription or maybe with discount. You can use it a few days before the end of the 30 days. Then, here we write the code we have. And click on Redeem. That's it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.